So that's a ropeway to the Shosha mountain where we will be looking at the Engyoji temple. There's a lot of people talking, so there's a little bit of noise. This is where they have been shooting parts of The Last Samurai, so that's what we will be looking at. If you had enough of walking around the castle and the city, you can just take a short bus ride out to Mount Shosha and the ropeway up the hill. You can also take the forest trail, however it's much more comfortable to arrive at the ropeway station and see the scenic view of the city from the cart. Even after arriving at the ropeway station, it's still roughly 2 kilometers to walk uphill to the temples. No worries though, they are offering a bus ride if you don't feel like walking that way or if you are disabled, tired, had a big night before, so you can take the bus and just enjoy the ride. Of course, even if we were tired from last night after a long day of walking, and despite the fact that I had a damaged knee, we decided to walk all the way uphill, and we were not disappointed. After a short walk from the ropeway, we arrive at the main entrance. This area holds restaurants, shops, small shrines. Not to mention the huge temple built into the rocks, but that you can only see when you walk out of the forest. This area looks amazing. It's just like as you would imagine a Buddhist temple stepping out of a movie. You can find these rock formations along the way and in the temples. In a Buddhist religion, this represents purity and water. You're not allowed to walk into any temple with your shoes on. You are required to take it off just before the wooden part of the temple. You will receive a plastic bag or something similar. You can take it in your hands if you want to, but you cannot wear the shoes in the temple. We wandered around nearly an hour in the temple, but then we thought it's time to find the steps of the Last Samurai. In the movie The Last Samurai, this is the path where Algren goes up to the shrine or temple. It was a big temple, I think. And this is where he is going to meet the samurai. I can't recall his name right now. Katsumoto, that's the one. So this is the way where he is discovering the area where he is kept, sort of captive, but he's more like a guest. Of course, the movie has been shot in many areas. Even that particular scene has been recorded in multiple places, but still, this temple was the easiest to visit out of all, and even the temple itself advertises, "Come and see the scenic view where the Last Samurai has been created." So even if we were sort of fangirling over the fact that we were walking towards the samurai lord's house, we got a reminder that this place is still a temple. This is dedicated to religious purposes, as we half witnessed the Shinto ceremony.
Little by little you wear me down.
What we didn't know, by the way, this place has hosted countless Japanese movies, Japanese series, some achieving even international fame, but to be fair, it could be well known on its own right, judging from its beauty and mysterious atmosphere. But it is understandable that they try to attract more tourists with that marketing move.
You wear me down. My actions won't be forgiven. When we first met, a simple text.
So that was it, the great adventure to discover Katsumoto's temple. We really had a good time and it was very hard to leave, but we surely come back again.